Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in skincare innovations. Today, we're diving deep into the world of moisturizers, and I've got an exciting product to share with you. Behold, the best Olay Complete Sensitive available in the market. This lightweight moisturizer doesn't just hydrate your skin, it's a complete daily defense against the elements. What makes this product stand out? Let's break it down. First off, this moisturizer provides an immediate surge of active hydration, thanks to its blend of vitamin E, B3, and aloe. But that's not all. With 97% protection against the sun's burning rays, you can enjoy your time outdoors without worrying about the consequences. Customer testimonials appear on screen, showcasing the product's impressive 4.5-star rating and glowing reviews from satisfied users. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of happy customers swear by this moisturizer for its effectiveness and gentle care for sensitive skin. So, if you're looking for the best in skincare protection, look no further than Olay Face Moisturizer Complete Daily Defense. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Until next time, stay beautiful.